welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Courtney. I'm a junior at Bowling Green, but I'm about to study abroad in Italy. And today's video, as you can see by the title, is me traveling to Rome. It like doesn't feel real that I'm about to get on a plane in a couple of hours. It's crazy because I've been vlogging just like the last couple weeks of my life and have been prepping and just counting down the days until I get to leave, and it's today, like it's here. Like I'm not sleeping at my house anymore. I'm not gonna be seeing any of my family or friends for 5 months, which is crazy. So yeah, so today's video is my travel vlog. So I figured I'd just start it out at my house and give you guys a little rundown. So I am leaving for the airport at noon. I will be flying from Cleveland to New York and then New York to Rome. And I get to Rome tomorrow at noon Rome time, but it'll be 6 a.m. my time. So it's gonna be a long travel day, and I'm really excited. I finally have everything packed. I have no idea if my suitcases are under the weight or not. I feel like me and my mom are gonna get to the airport and we're literally gonna be like rearranging stuff last minute. But if you wanna see my pack with me, my last video was a pack with me, and you can see how stressed I was about fitting everything in 2 suitcases for 5 months. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you do, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe down below, and let's go to the airport. Okay, I'm in New York. I'm on the moving walkway. I tried to get on an earlier flight and it was not successful. And now I'm trying to find the international baggage area or security. I have no idea. I've been running around this airport for an hour trying to find my freaking terminal. It's the biggest airport I think I've ever been in, and I'm wearing 25 layers that wouldn't fit in my bag, so I'm sweating so much. I've literally walked in circles because the signs suck. Like, so we're here. Oh my gosh. I have been traveling for like almost 24 hours and I'm so tired. I did not sleep on the plane. I'm sweating. I just spent $120 on a freaking taxi to get to my hotel because apparently I didn't take a taxi. I took like a private car, which they said taxi, and I'm like, yeah. And so they're like, walked me to this special place, took my bags, and then next thing you know, $120 later. I'm like, perfect. How do I? Okay, so I'm in my hotel. I dragged my bags up, and I'm gonna give you guys a little room tour while we're, how do I turn the lights on? Maybe? have hiccups. Okay, so, oh, is that a bidet? What is that? Okay, I think that might be like a bidet, I don't know. Okay, anyway, there's the bathroom stuff, and then there's this mirror right when you walk in, closet, and then there's like a desk, there's 2 beds, and then there's a balcony. Oh crap. I'm in freaking Rome. Like, that's Rome behind me. You can see the city. So I'm on the balcony right now. I'm closer to where the Vatican is. That's where our hotel is. In Rome for the first 2 days I'll be here, and then we'll move into our apartment in Trastevere. And my roommates are getting here at like 5 or 6, I think they land, so I've got some time. I'm really hungry and I'm kind of nervous to like venture out, so I might just go down to the hotel and get some food, and like maybe take a nap and take a shower, because I just feel gross and I'm tired. It's like kind of like 7 a.m. my time, so, and I like haven't slept, but it's 1 p.m. here, so I gotta get used to the time change. But anyway, my flight was, you know, fine. It was long. I had someone next to me. The seats were so small. I like couldn't even put my bag under my seat, so I could barely put my feet down. I just couldn't sleep. I don't know, whatever. Well, I think that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching my travel with me, and I'll definitely be vlogging this week and just while I'm here. So if you like the video, give it a thumbs up and click subscribe down below to keep up with my vlogs, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See ya.